So today I'll be fishing the last 2 hours of the outgoing tide, and then a couple hours of the incoming tide. It's a good tide for the spot that I want to fish today, so should be a really good day. I shouldn't have any trouble finding reds and even trout. I definitely expect the bite to be really good. This spot is a lot better than the last spot that I was fishing. There should be just tons of schools of reds based on my past experiences at this spot. School of fish right in front of me. I don't know how I didn't spook them. There's no way I'm not gonna get a hit right now. It's gonna take me around. Oh, it's going. Wow. Got him on the Bass Assassin chicken on a chain color, 1/8 ounce jig head. This is a big fish too. Or at least it's fighting really hard. Whew. Man, it's far out there too, and it doesn't want to give up. Hooked a big red on the first school that I found. That was my first cast of the day too. Sight casted the school that was right in front of me. Thought I spooked them, but nope. They're really aggressive this time of year. This is a 7-foot light rod with 15-pound braid and a 15-pound leader. So it's definitely light tackle for this size of a fish. But that makes it really fun to fight. It's coming up. Yeah. Definitely close to 30-incher. We'll see though. I'll definitely measure it. No way I'm getting this fish in without a net. I guess I could fish grip it, but that'd be harder. Yeah, we're looking close to 30 inches, high 20s at least. Wow, yeah, it's a heavy fish. That just means there's probably schools everywhere with this size fish around here. Man, when they're this size, they don't give up. And you can't just pull them in without breaking your line with this size line. Oh, come on. He did not want to go in the net right there. Oh man, my arm is tired. This is a workout. There we go. That is a hard fighting fish. I don't care what size it is. Oh god. Lost my paddle tail on that. He hit it so hard, it probably just fell off. Hooked right in the corner of the lip though, so hook comes out really easy. Not gonna hurt the fish. Quick measurement and then the release. Big fish for sure. Wow. And just like that, oh yeah, 30 inches. Only a 1/2 inch short from my personal best in shallow water. And of course I was in like a foot and a half of water. Big heavy fish too. Really fun to fight. Now I'm just gonna get a good release on it, make sure it swims away real good. Hasn't been out of the water long. These are hard fighting, strong fish this time of year too. There he goes, swims away. Well, one cast, one fish. It's gonna be a good day, I think. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to leave a like. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. There was a hit. There we go. Wow, what was that? Oh my god, of course. Not even from casting, from hooking a fish and it getting off. I got a wind knot. Wow, that's bad too. Alright, got the knot out. Back to fishing. There's a hit. Uh-oh, there's a school. I think I spooked a bunch of fish this time. This is a keeper-sized fish. Man, they still hit aggressively and fight aggressively. Come on. Fish number 2. Didn't take long to find them either. A lot of fish in this area for sure. Man, even these small ones are tough fight. Come on, get in here. Well, I caught him on the electric chicken paddle tail, but I think, yeah, just like the last fish, it hit so aggressively that it ripped off the paddle tail and I lost it. I said that's a keeper, but yeah, it should be. It shouldn't be over slot. Still a really good size red and a really good fight. Yep, 21. Good keeper size red. I might keep fish later on. I'm not gonna keep this one right now. Just gonna keep fishing while they're biting. So let's get the release. You can see the bottom if you can see that grass right there, those weeds. There, fish swim away. So I'm in like a foot and a half of water. Here's what I've been using on the 2 fish that I caught. Bass Assassin electric chicken paddle tail, 1/8 ounce jig head. Today I'm not really fishing in one spot, at least not for now. I'm just moving along, looking for fish, constantly moving, casting to these oysters and stuff. Well, I turned the camera off, but there's fish moving. They started coming right towards me. Don't know exactly where they went or where they're going now, but they're up here. Yeah, they're up here. So shallow, you can just see them moving in the water. I don't know what direction they're going right now though, so might not be able to hook them. Yeah, I lost them. I don't know where they went. But they're here, so just gotta keep moving and looking and casting. That's a hit. There we go. Like I said, swimming right towards me too. It's a smaller size fish for sure. Yeah, smallest of the day so far. Hey, this time he didn't tear my bait off the hook. Alright, there we go. That's a 15, 16 inch. It's a keeper fish. Just gonna let it go. No measuring. I'll make my way to a creek that I'll fish in until the tide starts coming in. My goal in the creek is to catch trout, hopefully. Got a trout. Turned the camera off on accident. Not a keeper size, I don't think. Probably 13 inches. Alright, got another trout. Feels like a good one. Guess it could be a red. No, that's a nice trout. That's a keeper. Got a keeper trout on. You want them? Probably the biggest trout I caught in a while. I say that and I haven't even landed it yet. Oh, it's not even that big, honestly. I think it's gonna be a keeper though. Come on. There we go. Probably somewhere around 15 inches. I don't catch a lot of trout. So it's a big trout for me. Got him on the Bass Assassin electric chicken on a 1/4 ounce jig head. Measure him real quick. Probably gonna end up keeping it. Yeah, it's about 15 inches. Nice little 15-inch trout. 15-inch keeper trout. I'm not gonna keep it though, unless I start catching a bunch more. Let it go.